today we're going to draw a daffodil. They're all starting to bloom, so this is a great time to learn how to draw these. So we're going to start in the center here, and maybe up a little bit. Yeah, maybe around here. So we're going to start with the curve here, and that's the inside of the daffodil. And here comes all the little pollen and anthers, and so just do that, okay? And then on this side we're going to do wiggles, just woo. So I'll do a big one and then a little one. Just you're doing irregular. You don't want it to have a big pattern. And then you're going to imagine it coming around like this. So you can put dots there, or you can just kind of picture that in your brain. And I'm just going to do it. And then do some on this side until it meets. So a big one and then some little ones. There we go. And then I'll do a few. If I had a pencil, I would do lots of lines here. But I'm just going to do a few with the big Sharpie. Like that. Okay? So that is the trumpet of the daffodil. You're going to come here, imagine it coming in like this, like that, and coming in like this. And then this comes into kind of a cylinder shape. Okay, so now you want that nice shape. You want to make sure it looks like a cylinder. Okay? Next we're going to do the petals coming from here. There's 6 petals, but often this one will block one of the petals. So let's start here. I'm going to go out and up, and don't do petals straight. I like to have a bit of interest to them. And these are quite thick. It's almost the same thickness as that. Some daffodils are a bit thinner, different varieties. And I like to do a few flicks just to add some ribs in the petal. The next one's going to go this way, and it's a little bit shorter because, what's that called? I can't think of the word, sorry. It's kind of facing away from you. Oh, foreshortening, that's the word. And then let's do one this way. Let's save this one, it's going to go behind these two. So this one's going to go down. It's going to be the same length as this one. Put a dot there. Nice and fat, and then some flick marks there. This one's going to go this way, and nice and thick. Some lines going in like this. And then the last one that we can still see is going up here. And then what happens is they kind of curve almost like that candy cane stem. It's going to come down like this. And they have quite thick stems to hold up this big daffodil head. And then they almost have this papery covering here. So you're just going to do some diagonals. And it would come up like this and curve there. Let's do some baby daffodils. These little blossoms that aren't quite. We'll put some of that crepey, papery stuff there. And then it curves. They're almost ready to bloom. And then daffodils have straight, pointy leaves. So let's do a few. You can decide anywhere you want your leaves to be. But they're quite tall and thin. This one's going to go behind it. It's nice to have a few things crisscrossing. Makes it interesting for your eye. There we go. There's your daffodil.